Freestyle Friday 47. I'm in my moccasins, I got my bed head. Hey, come on. If I got some shit you need, I'll drop it off, drop it off. Hey, and if you make a drink for me, please top it off, top it off. Hey, because we're all just friends in need. Don't drop the ball, drop the ball. Hey, and when we win this game, we'll leave and be standing tall, standing tall. Hey, live life fearing the victors. No chance, mister. Control your tax bracket like your cash is playing Twister. I don't have the cake, but I'm pretty good with paperwork. Taking pot shots at the top till I make it work. It's not a class thing, it's really more about steam. I'm a pressure cooker with a recipe for that dream. No schemes, no gimmicks, just real things. Topics you can bop to, you're healing from the mainstream. I cut it raw like I'm only built for Cuban links. I Wu-Tang so you know that I can pull a minx. It's not a problem.